to a magical journey through Asia's diverse and enchanting landscapes during the most wonderful time of the year. Celebrate Christmas and New Year 2024 in Asia, where traditions and celebrations are as diverse as the continent itself. From the snowy peaks to the tropical beaches, Asia offers a unique holiday experience like no other.
食事をお楽しみください。
Enjoy mouth-watering local cuisines that will delight your senses, enchanting culture, colorful performances for any taste. Whether you're exploring ancient temples, hiking through breathtaking landscapes, or savoring local delicacies, our experienced local tour guides will enhance your journey. Embrace the spirit of Asia this holiday season. Book your winter tour with a private guide from the Private Guide World platform and create memories that will last a lifetime. To make your experience truly unforgettable, we recommend the expertise of our private tour guides. They'll take you off the beaten path and show you hidden gems you'd never discover on your own. For more information and to find a local tour guide for your Asian holiday adventure, visit our website today at WPG World. And next time, I will recommend something interesting for your New Year's trip to South America. Hasta la vista.